Why do plants get sick? It's not just bad luck, there's a real science to it. In the next 3 minutes I'll give you the basics. What plant diseases are, how to spot them, and just how they manage to turn a healthy plant into something sad and droopy. Let's dig in. First up, what exactly is a plant disease? It's any condition that interrupts a plant's healthy life, usually thanks to some unwelcome guests, fungi, bacteria, or viruses. Picture a plant's life as a team effort. For a disease to break out, you need 3 things working together. That's what scientists call the disease triangle. There's the host, meaning a plant that can get sick. Then, the pathogen. That's the actual germ causing trouble. And finally, the environment, think humidity, temperature, and how wet the leaves get. When all 3 line up just right, boom, the plant gets sick. Now, diagnosing a plant disease, that's where you get to play plant detective. Here's my go-to 4-step method to crack the case. First, look closely at the symptoms. Are the leaves yellowing, wilting, or covered in weird spots? Next, hunt for actual signs of what's causing trouble, maybe mold, fuzzy spores, sticky ooze, or even sneaky bugs. Third, check what's going on around the plant. Is the soil soggy, too hot? Does water pool up on the leaves? And finally, compare what you see to pictures in books, apps, or good old farm guides. The sooner you spot a problem, the easier it is to fix. Okay, so how does a plant disease actually develop? Once the pathogen lands on the plant, maybe through a cut, a leaf pore, or even through the roots, it's game on. First stage infection, the germ gets in. Next, colonization. It multiplies and spreads inside the plant, kind of like a bad rumor passing through a group chat. Third, symptoms start showing: yellow leaves, spots, stunted growth. And finally, the pathogen gets ready to spread, making new spores or hitching a ride with wind, rain, or bugs. Some diseases can take over in just a few hours, others move slower, but they all follow this basic playbook. If you know how they work, you're already 1 step ahead. So that's the quick guide to plant diseases. They might be tricky, but with sharp eyes and a little knowledge, you can stop them in their tracks. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't let your plants down.